This animation is used to demonstrate how to build a protective buffer zone with Oilzorb in the coastal zone. An oil spill driven by the wind and current is headed towards the beach. Oilzorb is then dumped into the water. The oil spill interacts with the Oilzorb to form a consolidated mass. The oil spill movement is fully blocked by the Oilzorb. A perimeter of containment booms is then placed around the spill. The consolidated oil spill and Oilzorb is then pumped into heavy polypropylene sacks and transferred to a place of further processing. If the foreshore has become contaminated with an oil spill, Oilzorb is spread directly over the affected area. A defined water area is then enclosed with containment booms. The contaminated area is then washed out into the water using a water jet or wave motion. The consolidated oil spill and Oilzorb is then pumped into heavy polypropylene sacks and transferred to a place of further processing. The process is then repeated until the coastal area is totally clean. Oilzorb can be used